Attention, le soleil est sur le point de se coucher. Tous les citoyens sont priés de se mettre à l'abri en intérieur jusqu'à l'aube. Attention, the sun is currently setting. All citizens are required to shelter indoors.
Hi, I'm Phil and I'm head of studio here at Big Mouth Audio, and I was the lead sound designer and mix engineer for the new Blade game trailer.
Turn that shit up.
For the sound in this one, we were just trying to really create a sense of unease and mimic the apprehension you feel from the barber throughout the whole trailer. Speaking of barbers, we actually went to our local barbers to record a lot of the Foley sounds you hear, like from the razor, the chair, the blade. For the mix in this one, the director really wanted the sound to move with every scene, so it just meant a lot of automation between volume, pan and reverbs, especially on the music, because we were trying to mix it diegetically, like it was coming from the barber speaker.
Relax, man. I don't bite.
We think it sounds great, and we were delighted to be part of this huge announcement trailer from Marvel and Bethesda.
Lock up tight now. Night's just getting started.
Cela n'a qu'un carassier. Je traque le code comme un braconnier.